The Simba and Bakshot.
In a wide green jungle lived Simba, the lion, strong and proud. Many animals feared by him. Nearby, in a quiet meadow, lived Bakshot, the deer, gentle and kind, always helping others. One hot day, Simba went hunting, but as he chased a rabbit, he tripped and fell into a deep pit. He roared for help, but no one came. Bakshot heard the roar and rushed over. When he saw the lion trapped, his heart beat fast. "He's dangerous, but he needs help," Bakshot whispered. Using vines and clever thinking, Bakshot lowered a branch. Simba climbed out slowly. "Why did you help me?" asked Simba, surprised. Bakshot smiled. "Because kindness is stronger than fear." From that day on, the Simba and Bakshot became best friends. Moral: kindness and courage can turn fear into friendship.